Hello everyone, this is A. Parker, and welcome back for another video. Today I am going to be making my first solo video on anime LPS Freak of Nature. So anyways guys, enjoy. Anime LPS Freak of Nature. Wow, this user rocks. She makes toy videos and makes it talk, just like me and LPS Cross. She also likes to play golf games, like mini golf. She has 2 playlists. Her subscribers are private, and about her is literally the name of her profile name. I don't really mind. She joined on July the 14th, 2006. I've joined on January the 18th. I didn't make any videos then. Her total views are 4,410. I hope this user never gets terminated. I really hope not. You know who likes this user? Me and LPS Cross. I don't know who dislikes this user, so I'm gonna leave that. Anime LPS Freak of Nature is really awesome. And so does LPS Cross. Lady Gwen is also awesome. And that's the end of Salute. It's still going.